Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Evie. Let's start today's story.
Nora, have you seen my wallet? I can't find it anywhere.
I'm making breakfast. Why are you asking me?
Because it's not on the table and it's not in my jacket.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, twice.
Then check it a third time. Maybe it's hiding from you.
Very funny. I'm actually in a hurry.
You're always in a hurry in the morning.
That's not true.
It's completely true. Every single day.
Okay, maybe a little true.
Look under the sofa cushions. You did that last week, remember?
Oh, right, I forgot about that.
You forget a lot of things.
I don't forget everything.
You forgot our neighbor's name last month, and she introduced herself twice.
Okay, that one wasn't my best moment.
Ha! At least you admit it.
Found it! It was in my coat pocket, not my jacket.
See? Not so hard.
Thank you for your help. Even though you didn't really help.
I helped with my excellent advice.
This smells really good. What are you making?
Just eggs and toast. Nothing special.
It smells special to me.
You say that every morning.
Because it's true. Every morning.
You're in a good mood today.
I am. I slept well for once.
That makes one of us.
Didn't you sleep well?
Not really. I kept thinking about work.
Anything I can help with?
Not really. Just a lot of small things at once.
Well, today you don't have to think about breakfast. I'll clean up after.
That's a nice offer.
I try sometimes.
Sometimes, yes. Oh, it's Ella!
Ella? I haven't heard from her in months.
Me neither. Let me answer. Hi, Ella.
Hi, Nora. Sorry to call so early.
No problem at all. How are you?
I'm good, actually. I have some news.
Oh, tell me.
I'm going to be in your city this weekend. For a work thing.
Really? That's wonderful.
I was wondering if I could stay with you for one night. Just Saturday.
Of course, we'd love that.
Are you sure it's not too much trouble?
Not at all. We have the guest room, and Leo will be happy too.
Thank you so much. I really miss seeing you both.
We miss you too. What time do you arrive?
Probably around 6 in the evening.
Perfect. We'll be ready.
Thank you, Nora. See you Saturday.
See you then. Bye, Ella.
So, what did she say?
She's coming to stay with us on Saturday. Just for one night.
Oh, nice. It's been a long time since we've seen her.
I know. I'm really happy about it.
We should make the guest room ready.
Yes, and maybe cook something nice for dinner.
I can help with that this time.
Really? You cooking?
I can cook a few things.
Like what exactly?
Pasta and more pasta.
That's still just one thing.
Okay, fine. You cook. I'll help with everything else.
Deal.
What exactly do we need to buy?
New sheets for the guest bed. And maybe a small gift for Ella.
A gift? Is it her birthday?
No, but it's polite to give something when a friend visits after such a long time.
Okay, that makes sense. What kind of gift?
Maybe something small. Candles or a nice mug, something like that.
Let's look in this shop first.
Hello, welcome. Can I help you find anything?
Yes, please. We're looking for a small gift. Maybe candles or a nice mug.
Of course. We have a lovely candle set right here. And some handmade mugs over there.
Oh, these candles smell amazing.
They really do. What scent is this one?
That one is vanilla and lavender. Very relaxing.
I think Ella would love this.
And look at this mug. It says welcome on it.
That's perfect, actually.
Would you like both together? I can wrap them nicely for you.
Yes, please.
That would be great.
Wonderful. That will be $22 in total.
I'll pay for this one.
Thank you, Leo.
Here you go, all wrapped. Have a great weekend.
Thank you very much. That must be her.
I'll get the door. Ella! It's so good to see you.
Leo, look at you. You haven't changed at all.
Come in, come in. Nora's been talking about your visit all week.
Ella, I'm so happy you're here.
Me too. I missed you both so much.
How was your trip?
Long, but okay. There was a lot of traffic. That sounds tiring. Are you hungry? A little, actually. Something smells really good. Leo helped me cook tonight. Really? Leo? Cooking? This is a big moment.
I only helped a little. Nora did most of it.
Well, whatever you did, it smells wonderful. Come, sit down. Dinner is almost ready. Oh, before I forget, I brought you both something too.
You didn't have to do that.
I wanted to. It's just something small. Thank you, Ella. That's very sweet. It's really nice to be here. This house always feels so warm.
We're really glad you came.
Now come on, let's eat before it gets cold.
Please give it a like, subscribe to Learn English with Evie, and don't miss the next episode.